Bullish yearn.finance cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $22,869.59 and $49,804.88 by 2030. Market experts accept YFI could reach $22,869.59 by 2025. Bearish yearn.finance market cost expectation for 2022 is $4,065.70. Yearn.finance presentation. Yearn.finance is an aggregator administration for financial backers in decentralized finance, empowering them to increment yield cultivating profit through robotization. It expects to streamline the steadily growing DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the people who favor less committal connections than proficient merchants. The help, referred to at first as yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had dangerous development throughout the course of recent months as new products have showed up and engineers have delivered the YFI token. In this video, I'll take a gander at some new YFI value expectations and endeavor to figure where the resources cost may be going from now on. What makes yearn.finance one of a kind? Yearn.finance is a remarkable stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn.finance additionally has its local token, YFI, which is utilized to drive the stage and give liquidity to clients. YFI tokens can be traded on various trades. What compels yearn.finance stand apart from different stages in the space is its attention on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind yearn.finance has made a framework that permits clients to expand their profits via consequently putting their assets in the most beneficial conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been unbelievably fruitful up to this point and has assisted yearn.finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes yearn.finance interesting is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including savvy contracts, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to customary concentrated monetary organizations. A key element that makes yearn.finance interesting is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients stake their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure prizes from partaking in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their charges. Yearn.finance specialized investigation. The YFI cost has been on a bull run since it was first sent off in mid-February 2020. YFI is a decentralized money token that controls the yearn.finance convention. The convention offers yield-cultivating administrations and permits clients to procure interest on their crypto resources. YFI is a local badge of the yearn.finance convention and is expected to get to its administrations. It likewise gives clients casting a ballot rights on the stage and empowers them to partake in administration choices. The complete stockpile of YFI is fixed at 36,666 tokens, and there won't ever be any more made. This makes it a deflationary resource that could build its worth over the long haul as request develops. The YFI's cost expectation framework depends on authentic information, specialized, and major investigation. Do your own examination and don't take the YFI cost conjecture as monetary counsel. Yearn.finance current cost. There are a couple of key factors that are driving YFI's cost higher. In the first place, yearn.finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, a popular better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of yearn.finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for YFI tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like YFI. As an ever-increasing number of clients rush to decentralized finance conventions, the interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the principal drivers of YFI's cost rally lately. Yearn.finance is at present worth $5,082.13 USD. YFI has moved 0.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,967,556. Yearn.finance is at present positioned 119 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $186,197,701 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for yearn.finance to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Yearn.finance value expectation 2023. In 2023, yearn.finance YFI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of YFI will before long outperform $12,787.73. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the YFI's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, YFI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $10,230.18 and a typical exchanging cost of $11,253.20. Yearn.finance value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $17,902.82 and YFI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. YFI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $16,368.29 and a low of $15,345.27 in 2024. Yearn.finance value expectation 2025. Assuming yearn.finance effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the YFI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, YFI will be green in 2025. The YFI is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $23,017.91, with a base cost of $20,460.36 and a typical cost of $21,483.38. Yearn.finance value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the YFI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $26,598.47 by 2026, with a base cost of $25,575.45 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, YFI has a greatest value worth of $28,133. Yearn.finance value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $31,713.56. On the off chance that YFI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $33,248.09. Neglecting to assemble the help YFI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $30,690.54. Yearn.finance value expectation 2028. While YFI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $35,805.63 and a yearly cost close above $38,363.18 in 2028. Yearn.finance value expectation 2029. By 2029, yearn.finance will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $40,920.72 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $43,478.27, averaging out at $41,943.74.